Are you still applying for remote jobs and hearing no response back? What if I told you there are websites where companies are actively hiring remote workers and paying in US dollars, no matter your location? So, location shouldn't be a barrier, even if you don't live in the United States. In this video, I will show you some of the best websites to find legitimate remote jobs, tested and trusted, from entry-level positions to high-paying professional roles. Make sure you stay until the end because my top recommendation could completely change the way you search for remote work. Welcome to Finance Gameplay. If you're in search for a remote job that lets you work from anywhere while you earn in dollars, then stay tuned because you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through the best websites that connect job seekers and companies hiring worldwide. I will also share what each platform has best so you can spend less time searching and more time landing interviews. So let's get right into the video. So let us get started. Remember, the list in this video is not in any particular order because all these websites will definitely have something special for you. So let us get started with the very first website, flexjobs.com. .com. So once you tap that on your search, you take the first option that appears. This is it here. Flex jobs looks like. So for time constraint, I'm not gonna sign up, but the sign up process is pretty easy. Start your job research. Designed for job seekers. 5,000 low quality jobs rejected daily. No job ads, only real matches. These are the high number of companies hiring on this website. And in order to personalize your search on this website, I will advise you go for this survey. What kind of remote work are you looking for? So you can just get started answering these questions so that the website can personalize job recommendations for you by sending them daily in your email, even if you don't come to the website to check. So that is the very first website if you're in search of a remote job. Let us go directly to the second one. The second website we are looking at is remoteok.com. Remote OK. Just type in remote OK, and once it appears, here is it. So this is it, the first option, remoteok.com. So this website is also one of my personal best, even though they are really similar in most aspects. But what I love the most with this website is it's easy to understand interface. So you can see some top job recommendations already. And once you hover over a job, you can see the apply button right on your right there already. So no stress. And if you want to go even further, you can unlock your remote career potential with Remote OK Premium, which is a paid plan. But as I always say, it is better you try out the free plans first before you know how the paid plan can look like, so you know the difference. What I love with this website is that you can search for your job right here. Let me say, for example, if you need an engineering job and you tap in engineering, you will see the various engineering jobs available. And if you want to, even if you want to narrow down with the location, if you want to work worldwide, you don't care about a country, then you are good to go. If you want a particular location like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, or Australia, in fact, any country, you can just select and see if there are any available jobs recruiting by that time. Even salary, if you have a particular salary you are demanding per year, you can still narrow it down. But I believe for someone in search of a job, you should not really have a salary threshold as a first time comer. So that is it for the second website. Make sure you check out remoteok.com for your next job application. You, you will find a lot of options on this website. Make sure to check it out. The third website I will recommend has a similar name to the previous one, but it is different. Remotive.com. Instead of remoteok.com, it is Remotive. Remotive.com. So this is it. Tap in remotive.com. Here is it, promotive jobs in programming and various other fields. So once you are into the website, you might notice it is somehow similar to the previous websites, but they are very different. I'm really mean at the level of these tasks because you can see the job category. You can select various categories you think you are skilled enough to work for, or you can select the location you want your job to be from in case you got any particular selection. You can select your career level if you are entry level, if you are an intern. They also take intern on this website. So no matter your level, I'm sure you find a match on this site. So this is how the website looks like. And you can even unlock more jobs just by answering a few questions. So you get personalized recommendations directly in your email. So this is it. Once you tap in your email, you'll be asked a few questions regarding the type of job, the location, and your skills. So you get personalized recommendations on this site. So it is really amazing. Make sure to check it out. So the next website we are looking at is justremote.com. Justremote.com. So let us get into the website, and this is how the website looks like. So this is how the website looks like. You can select your category here and search for a job, but I will not much recommend this website because I feel like it is mostly for GPS tracking system installers. So they are the ones with the highest probabilities of finding a job here. And what is good on this site too is you can post a request in case you need a GPS installer. So you can post your request here and you will definitely find one in less than no time. So check it out. Let us directly check out our next job research website. We work remotely. So this is the website. We work remotely. Tap here and let the website load. So once the website has loaded, you can see the largest job board for remote research. You can see post a job for $299. These are for the companies that are posting jobs. But you as a job seeker, you can find your jobs here. You can see your latest post 8 hours ago. So their job posts are still very much fresh. And if you want to narrow down your research, this is the section for you. Search remote jobs. Search everything job category. You tap in your job category, your country, your salary range. But I will recommend you don't put in any salary range. You should look at all the offers and select carefully the one that suits you best. You can put your skills here, and once you have filled in all the information here, you simply tap on apply filters and you will see the various jobs according to what you have typed in. So you can see they got jobs available for various categories. For various categories. These are for full stack programming jobs. What I love in this site is that you get to see the amount paid just by the site. As you can see for this full stack product engineer agentic first at Los Angeles, you can earn as high as $100,000 or more a year, and it is full time. So try it out, and you'll definitely find a job that suits you on this website. Don't forget to sign in because once you sign in, you get more personalized recommendations directly in your email address. The next website I will advise you check out is Working Nomads. Working Nomads. So as the name implies, yeah, you are definitely a working nomad because you're in search of a job. Anywhere you can find it, that's where you normally are. So this is it. Find a job, but if you are a company, you definitely want to go to the post a job section because I believe even companies are coming on this platform to post their job offers. But you, as a job seeker, you go to the find a job section and you can fill in this information, location and category, or the type of job you are in search of. If what you see on your home screen does not suit you, you can see AI content analyst, no experience required. They are very much precise, no experience required. So if you have an idea, you can apply. Location Australia, part time, entry level. So that's it. They got a lot of offers available. You need to just be informed and there on time to deposit your application. So you can see they got a lot of jobs offers in various domains: marketing, sales, management, development, education, system administration, just name it. And if you want to go even further on this website, you can unlock 36,567 hidden jobs that might match your criteria by simply joining the premium membership of this website. So, but I would advise you check out their free space first and see how it looks like so that you understand where you are actually putting in your money. Another important feature on this website is that you must not necessarily sign up before you get to see what a job seeks from you or what a job demands from you. Let us take, for example, this AI content analyst. No experience required. If you are curious and want to know more about a job, simply tap on the job. You can see all it takes help shape the future of AI from anywhere. So, what is in for you? This is what you need: total flexibility, fully remote, and a competitive hourly rate, boost your research. So you will succeed if you are. So these are like requirements. If you are fluent in English, a sharp researcher, familiar with search engines. So that's it. Requirements: minimum 20, 10 to 20 hours per week. Must pass an online open book assessment. Laptop PC with unique user account. So this is what all it takes from you. This is a freelance independent contractor position. If all this suits you exactly, you can simply tap on apply for this position and you are taken directly to the window where you need to start up your application. And it goes even further because once you tap on the apply button, you can even see more details like your hourly pay rate and monthly payout. So this is $24.95 per hour. So that's it, and you get started with the application. So try it out and let me know in the comment section what you think about all this website. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and if there is any website I might be leaving out as you are moving to our last website for job research. Let me know in the comment section, please. The last website to help you in your work research quest is 4dayweek.io. This is it, 4dayweek.io. So this is the website here with the four logo. So this is how the website looks like. But once you are in, the first thing you see is sign up with your Google account or sign up with email. But let us just browse through the website without necessarily signing up. So these are the various job categories available. Engineering, you can see the number of jobs demanded, 5,000. Marketing, customer success, operations, a lot. Security, DevOps, product analyst, and all the like. So on this website, look at jobs that allow you to work 4 days a week at most, but they still have a decent payout. And you can directly see where the jobs offers are from. Like this senior male manager, you can see it is in the UK, but you can work remotely just 4 days a week and you earn 45,000 to 55,000 pounds a year. So just check it out. You will find a lot of amazing jobs here. But what I don't like on this website is that you must first sign up and maybe go for premium before you can see any information, any further information regarding a job. Like, for example, this senior meal manager, if I tap on it, you will see everything is blurred because they are asking for $9.5 for the first month to start pro and see any required information for this job. But if you are not yet ready to pay any dime, you can check out other websites mentioned in this video. You might definitely find a job there. So thanks for watching and make sure you like, subscribe to this channel for more similar content. See you in the next one.